welcome to Shoshone Falls. This is in Twin Falls, Idaho. I'm just here at Shoshone Falls Park and I'm ready to give you a nice yoga class. It's a little bit rainy, so I actually have a yoga blanket on top of my mat so I don't slip around. I hope doing this class with me can encourage you to do yoga wherever. You know, if you're out on a picnic, or if you are taking a walk somewhere and there's just some flat ground, you can take just a few moments. You don't have to be in a yoga studio. You don't have to have certain equipment. The equipment can be super helpful, but it's not necessary. You really just need a body. Anyway, let's get started. We're going to start this class actually in a kneeling position. If you are at home and you do have blocks, I would just slide them right between your shins and perch your bottom on top. I don't have any blocks with me, so I'm just going to sit here right on my heels. Let's go ahead and allow those eyes to drift shut. And just allow your beautiful sense of hearing to become activated. Big inhale, filling up the lungs from the bottom, allowing the ribcage to press outwards. On those exhales, we're just softening the chest cavity as the spine lengthens. Big inhale and exhale. And allowing your sense of sound to become activated, to become acute. What sounds do you hear in your space? Allowing that spine to be nice and long. Perhaps you imagine roots coming through your sit bones and through your heels, if you are sitting on your heels, into the mat, into the earth beneath you. And then growing a trunk all the way through your own body, up through your chest. And imagine branches reaching out of your heart space, out of your neck, out of the top the crown of your head, reaching up to the sky. Perhaps you imagine that you are a tree, a beautiful, powerful tree, connected to the earth and reaching up to heaven. If you'd like to place your hands on your thighs, palms facing forward, let's start our class with 3 cleansing breaths. Let's take a big inhale through your nose. Open your mouth, exhale. Big inhale. Open your mouth, exhale. A big inhale. And exhale. I heard it said that yoga is a sanctuary for the body, a place where we get to listen to our body and understand our mind. As we move today, perhaps you could enter this yoga practice seeking that sanctuary to listen to your body and to learn about your mind. So much anxiety and worry and emotional and mental challenges that we experience in the Western world often begin and end in the confines of our own mind. Often it's stories of negative or hurtful or harmful ideas and thoughts that keep us captive. My invitation today is to choose to be in your body, to be curious about how it feels, how it moves, how it interacts with this world around you, whether that be the wind, the sounds, the floor. But allow attention to come into this moment. I heard it said that a lot of our stress comes from living in the past and choosing not to be in the moment, or being in this moment and wishing that you were in the future. I believe that's a reason why yoga can be a sanctuary, because it invites us to be in the now and to address the now, bringing the attention back to breath, back to the sensations that you're experiencing right now, through sound, smell, touch, sight, and that it will help us in other moments outside of yoga to be present with the people that we are communicating with the challenges that we're facing, and with the beautiful blessings that we receive. Let's drop our hands down to the side. Big inhale. Gazing all the way up. On your exhale, press the palms down. Blow through your lips. 2 more times. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, press. 1 more inhale. And exhale. Gorgeous. Inhale, extend the thighs. And exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale, blow through the lips. 1 more. And exhale. Awesome. We're going to go ahead and send our bottom down, crossing the legs. Just pull your bottom cheeks aside to allow those sit bones to really root into your mat. We're going to roll the shoulders back, lift up the heart. Big inhale, gaze up. On your exhale, draw the navel into your back space, drop your chin, and rainbow the spine. Big inhale. And exhale. Big inhale. And exhale. Gorgeous. Coming forward. We're going to go ahead and walk your hands forward. Again, if you have blocks, this would be a great time to sit on blocks if you are feeling that you can't really move forward. We're walking the hands, your fingers are spread, you're kind of making little teepees. Roll the shoulders back, reach your heart forward, big inhale. On your exhale, you're going to melt the elbows down, followed by the chin. Dropping the forehead. And then press and lengthen. Roll the shoulders back, big inhale. Melt the elbows down, chin and forehead. 1 more. And melting all the way down. And coming all the way up to seated. Beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and turn around and face you. We're going to reach the fingers to the side. Keep your sit bones rooted into the mat. And we open up. At this point, we're going to bend the elbow and reach the heart open. Then sink the elbow down. And then drop the gaze down toward your knee. Opening back up. Reaching your heart all the way up. And then soften the elbow. Rotate, gaze down. Extend the arm, reach all the way up. Whew. I'm going to go on the other side. So reaching the fingertips, reaching the opposite arm up, bend the elbow, and then puff your heart up, opening. On your exhale, we're softening the elbow and we're rotating our gaze down toward the mat. Then reaching the heart up and softening down, rotating the gaze. 1 more. And then rotating the gaze. Reaching that arm all the way up and come up to seated. Seated. Let's go ahead and go into all fours. We're going to go ahead and spread our fingers, tuck our toes. Now we're stacking shoulder, elbow, and then wrist. Again, we have our sit bones reaching back. Our hips are here in line with our knees. We're going to soften the belly, puff the heart forward, reach all the way up. Big inhale. On your exhale, we're going to go ahead and rainbow the spine. Whew. Again, sinking, reaching your heart forward. Exhale, rainbow the spine. Lovely. Lay your toes down and send your hips down to the mat. We're going to go ahead and soften the body forward. Coming all the way up. Back on to your heels. Big inhale, extend the thighs, reaching all the way up. Plant a foot and then another foot. Lovely. We're going to come to the top of our mat. Spread your toes. Roll the shoulders back and draw your glutes together. Spreading your fingers. Mountain pose. We're going to inhale, reach your arms all the way up. On your exhale, press the hands down. Again, we inhale, reaching up. On your exhale, pierce forward, going all the way down. Bringing your face toward your shins. Bend the knees, rolling the spine up. Find your mountain pose. Inhale, reach up. Pierce the hands to the sides, fold forward. Coming all the way down. Come on up halfway, draw the navel in, bend the knees, unravel the spine. Inhale again. Pressing your palms down, hinge at the hips. And come up halfway, bending the knees, unravel the spine. Arms come all the way up. We're going to bring your hands through prayer. Stepping the left foot back. Both feet are reaching forward. Arms go forward. And then we're hinge at the hips. Both legs are nice and straight, pressing energy through your feet, through your toes, into the mat. Now bend the front knee and bring the back foot to the front, coming all the way down through center. Now the right leg steps back. Toes are reaching forward. Reach your arms up, spread your fingers. Now hinge at the hips. Legs are nice and powerful, sending energy through the bottom of your feet, through your toes, into the mat. Bend the front knee and step the back leg in. Come down through prayer. Find a mountain. Inhale, reaching your arms up. Exhale, press it away. Hinge at the hips, all the way down. Coming up halfway. Bend the knees, unravel the spine. Arms reach all the way up. Hands to prayer, coming down. Left leg steps back. Reaching the arms up. We hinge at the hips. Glorious. Now bend the front knee, extend the back leg into a nice high lunge. Now opening the chest, reaching your shoulder blades into your back space. Spread your fingers, gaze forward, and maybe gently tilt the eyes up. Now bend the front knee, send your energy into that leg, bring the back leg in. Hands come down through prayer. Send the right leg back. Arms reach up, toes are spread, legs are nice and powerful and straight, and we hinge forward. Reaching with your fingers, we're going to bend the front knee, reach the back leg back, and reach your heart open as you're wrapping your shoulder blades into the back space. Spreading your fingers, your gaze lifts. Now send all that weight into the front leg and bring the back leg forward, down through prayer. Whoo! Find your mountain. We go from the beginning. We inhale. And pierce forward. Coming up halfway. Bend the knees, unravel the spine, arms all the way up. Now stepping the left foot back. We're going to hinge at the hips, reaching with those beautiful arms. Bend the front knee, sink that back leg back, and then open up the heart. Wrapping the shoulder blades back, spreading your fingers. Long back leg. Beautiful. Now from here, we're going to send our arms back, reaching our fingertips toward our back space. Extend that back leg. Glorious. Weight goes into that front knee again. Press through the heel, and we step together, down through prayer. Right leg goes back, arms reach up, and we're shifting forward. Reach, 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 reach. Bend the front knee, extend the back leg, and then wrapping the shoulders back, reaching up. So nice. Now arms fly back, squeezing the shoulder blades in the back, reaching your fingers. Send your weight into that front leg, pressing through the earth, and legs come together. Find the mounting. Last add-on, we inhale, reaching up, piercing at the hips, hinging down. Coming up halfway, fingers to knees, long neck, bend the knees, unravel. Sending arms all the way up, down through center. Left leg steps back. Arms reach up. We hinge forward. Bend the front knee, then open up the heart, wrapping the shoulder blades back. Swinging the arms back, reaching the fingertips toward each other. Then swing the left hand forward, opening, front knee is nice and bent, into this beautiful warrior two. Now reaching from both sides, long glorious neck, deep front knee bend. Then windmill the arms around, and square the hips and the back leg in, and then roll it up. Arms go all the way up, down through center, stepping the right leg back, arms go up. We hinge, 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 hinge. Bend the front knee, reach the back leg back, straighten the back leg, arms are nice and long. Arms reach back, reach your fingertips toward each other. Then swing the right arm, opening to the opposite side. Front knee is bent, reaching both arms in both directions. Spreading the fingers, long, long neck. Then bend the knee, windmill the arms over, square the hips, and stepping forward. Unravel the spine. Okay, we're going to do that 2 different times. Again, we go super slow this time, and then we'll go back up to speed. So here we are in our mountain pose. Nice and slowly, we inhale, arms go up. And exhale, press the palms down, hinge. Slowly. Coming up, slowly, long neck. Bend the knees, unravel the spine. Arms reach up. Coming down through center, left leg steps back. Arms reach up. Now hinge at the hips. Nice, long upper body, powerful legs. Bend the front knee, and then press your heart forward, wrapping the shoulder blades back. Swinging the arms forward, reaching them back. Swing the left arm in front. Find a nice, deep bend in that front leg. Reaching, 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 and windmill. Step in the back leg forward. Unravel the spine. Arms reach up slowly. Coming down through the middle. Right leg steps back. Arms reach up. Legs are powerful. Hinge at the hips. Bend the front knee. Now press the heart forward. Swinging the arms forward. Reaching it back. Swing the right arm in front. Finding a warrior two. Holding here. Bend the front knee and windmill. Step in the back leg forward. Unravel the spine. Take it up to full speed. We inhale. Pierce, exhale. Coming up halfway. Bend the knees, unravel. Inhale. Left leg steps back. Hinge forward. Bend the front knee. Open the heart. Swing the arms back. Swing left. Open. And windmill. Step the back leg forward. Unravel the spine. Other side. Coming down. Right leg goes back. Hinge forward. Bend the front knee. High lunge. Swing the arms back. Swing the right arm in front. Warrior two. Windmill. Square the hips. And step in. From here, melt your chest to the thighs. Grabbing behind the legs, drawing your face toward your legs. Bend the knees. Gently unravel the spine. Okay. Stepping all the way back. We're going to go ahead, send our knees down, and find that nice tabletop again. Walking your hands a little bit more forward. And we're sinking our hips forward and then back. A few more forward and then back. And forward and back. Sinking, laying your toes down, dropping your forehead. Coming all the way up. Okay, go ahead, find a nice downward facing dog. Spreading your fingers, spreading your toes. Maybe bend your knees and just shake your tailbones side to side. Now, pressing into the left foot, we lift up the right. Foot is flexed. Now point the toe, draw the navel in as the knee comes in. We plant it forward and lower the back knee. We're going to go into our peak pose of the class, reaching your arms up, sinking the hips forward. The front knee is deeply bent, really creasing the right hip joint as the left is nice and open. Now you can open up the heart, reaching your shoulder blades into the back space, spreading the fingers. Maybe your gaze goes up. Holding here, 3, 2, 1. Plant your hands down and send it back up into a downward facing dog. Planting the right foot, lift up the left. Point the toes, bring the knee into your chest. Plant the foot down. And we're coming all the way up. Sinking our weight forward. Deep left hip crease. And the right hip joint is nice and elongated. Arms are reaching up. We're puffing up our heart all the way to the sky. Maybe our gaze goes up. Big inhale. 3, 2, and 1. And melting your hands down and sending it back to a downward facing dog. Ooh la la. Dropping your knees and laying your bottom back down on your heels. So while you're back here on your heels, we're just going to take a few breaths. Big inhale and big exhale. Big inhale and big exhale. Let's go ahead and find our way onto the mat. Laying all the way down. Bend in the knees. We're going to go ahead and drop the knees over to the left. You can reach the right arm up, open it to the right, and let your gaze go over to the right. Bring your knees back up and the right arm in. You can let the knees drop over to the right side. Left arm reaches up, open to the left. Let the head reach over to the left too. What did you learn about your body today as we moved? What did you learn about your mind? Bring the knees back to center. Arm comes in. Go ahead, plant the right foot in, lift at the left, place the left foot on the right thigh, and then reach the left knee out away from you. You can actively press it with the left hand if you would like. Maybe you allow your attention to come back into the sensations of your body. Can you feel that hip joint? Or maybe you think about the different sounds you're hearing, sensations you're feeling on your skin. Go ahead and plant the left foot. Lift up the right, place the right foot on the left thigh, and then reach that knee away from the body. I am breathing in. I am breathing out. And then plant that foot back down. Bring both knees into your chest. Maybe you rock side to side just a little bit. In our last pose, we're going to send those legs up into waterfall, reaching your toes toward your face. Big inhale, big exhale. Softening the knees and extending your legs, finding a Shavasana. Unless you desire any other poses, please take the time to do that. If you are ready to settle into this Shavasana, I invite you to take a deep breath and exhale. Maybe start to wiggle your toes, fingers. If you're outside, can you feel grass or dirt or stone beneath your fingers or toes? Drinking in a big inhale. And your exhale, just roll over onto one side. Finding that fetal position, taking a few breaths here. And when you're ready, just press into the floor or the earth and bring yourself up slowly into a seated position. Maybe you keep your eyes closed, maybe your eyes are just gazing down. Roll those shoulders back, a nice long neck. Again, sending roots through your sit bones into the earth as you reach branches through your torso, out through your heart and the crown of your head. Let's reach our arms out. Palms are facing outward, and we'll conclude with 3 cleansing breaths, receiving and giving to whoever and whatever is in our presence. Let's inhale and exhale. Inhale, expanding those lungs, allowing your body to grow and lengthen, and on the exhale, melting and softening. Bring our hands to prayer to seal all this energy into our bodies. And just take with you what you have learned about your body and your mind today. And know that you can return to yoga at any time, to this sanctuary, this stillness, this space that brings you into the moment, into the present. And each time we do it, we are more capable at being in present moments with those that we love, those that we might have conflict with, or different challenges or blessings that we encounter throughout our daily lives. It has been such a joy to share this practice with you. Namaste.